how to record Telegram calls. Hi everybody, in this video I will tell you how you guys can basically record Telegram calls. So for that, just simply download this application which is called Record It. So over here, let me just find it really quick. So over here, click on Record It. Once you guys have this application, you guys can download this application from your Android Play Store and also from your Apple iOS store. And once you guys have this particular application installed, you guys can simply record it by simply clicking on this red button. And then after that, once your recording has started, after that you guys can simply call anyone on Telegram. And then while you guys are having that conversation is going to be recorded on your phone by using this particular application. And you guys can basically find the recording in your gallery. Once you guys are done with the call, simply come over here on Recorded, and then from over here just simply end the recording, and you guys are going to be able to find that particular recording saved inside your phone's gallery. So guys, that is how you guys can record calls. You can also record chats using this strategy as well, so it's very easy. So guys, this was the video. Be sure to like, subscribe and share. Till next time, goodbye.